So today we are replacing the pressure relief valve on this hot water heater. Pressure relief valves are a safety device that'll reduce or relieve the pressure in the hot water heater if it gets too hot. But over time they get a little corroded and they start to leak like this one is. You can see down below I got a puddle. That's not good. So to do this task you'll need the pressure relief valve. And until you pull it out you don't know which style you need. I went to the Home Depot and they had two different models. They're both about $20. So one has a little bigger, longer stub here. So we'll figure that out as we go, and I'll return the other one. The other thing you'll need is a pipe wrench, maybe a channel locks, and this is thread pipe compound, and a hose, garden hose. I pulled the cover on the bottom, I've hooked the hose up right there to drain the heater down. Need to get below the water level of the pressure relief valve up here, so you need to drop a couple gallons. So first step is hook up the hose, shut off the water. If you have ball valves like I do here, the handle here is telling you it's cutting off the water to the hot water heater. So I'm going to turn that one off, and I have another feed line right in front of it. It's easy enough to turn that off. And now I'm going to start draining the water. So I have the water heater drained of water, but the pressure relief valve has this long pipe, so I can't unwind that. I need to take this drain pipe off. So I loosened it up, pipe wrench like that. Now it's loose, and it's just a piece of copper that brings it to the bottom of the water heater. Take the water away from the water heater should it be used. So now we need to release the pressure. Make sure there's no pressure in the tank before we pull the valve. Pull this, and you can see or hear that it releases pressure. Now we just put a pipe wrench on there. See, it's corroded in there, that's why it's been leaking. And for $20 it's worth replacing. And there you have it. So as I mentioned, home stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, stock a couple different styles of these. So here's the one I pulled out. You can see that matches this one. So this is where the pipe thread compound comes into use. You can see I've smeared it in the threads there. Plumbers like using this stuff over Teflon tape because it seals better, especially in this application where you get temperature variation. So this just goes right in there like that. We need this pipe to go down so we can put that copper drain tube back on. So I've tightened the relief valve. I'm going to thread this in. The drain pipe does not need any pipe sealing tape or compound because it is not under pressure. I finished tightening the pipe here, the drain pipe. You can hear it's refilling with water. That completes the installation of the hot water pressure relief valve.